The sell. This is equally as important as creating your product. You can create the best, most useful product in the world, but that doesn't do much good if you don't know how to sell it, does it? If you have an existing mailing list, tell them about your new product first. Offer them the best deal possible, a special offer that no one else will be getting. If you don't have your own list, the first thing you may want to do is start sending out joint venture offers to other businesses in your field. Offer them a nice-sized commission, at least 50%, and explain to them how they, as well as their customers, will benefit from the deal. I would send out at least one JV letter per day. If all you do is work on striking joint ventures with other marketers and business owners, you will not need any other marketing strategy to pull in amazing profits. Joint ventures are the best thing out there for us writers and marketers, especially online. There are hundreds of other strategies you can use. However, the ones listed above are some of the best and most effective ones around. You should always go for the quality traffic versus quantity. Another way to do it is using Google AdWords pay-per-click. AdWords, now named Google Ads, are little ads that show up at the top of the search results. Bing Ads is another pay-per-click service, which is also very popular. Another place to sell an information product is on the Warrior Forum, a popular internet marketing forum. Then you can go to the section of the site titled Warrior Special Offers and start out selling your information product there, if it is appropriate. This works better if your product is related to internet marketing. Also, you need to offer the product at a price better than is offered to the general public, which is why it's called the Special Offers section. Another very popular way to sell your product is through ClickBank. You have to apply to be a merchant on ClickBank, and there is a one-time setup fee. Then you can encourage affiliates to sell your product for you in exchange for a generous commission. To entice affiliates, you are going to have to offer a really large percentage of the product price, at least 50%, and preferably 70%. Here are some tips to keep your affiliates happy and to attract good affiliates. Offer good affiliate support. Offer them artwork to put on their sales page showing your product. Several different product pictures would be ideal. A picture of the ebook cover and a banner ad at the bare minimum would be helpful. There are many things you can offer an affiliate to entice them to promote, like custom content, bonus prize money for every 100 copies sold, custom bonus, extra ebook. Make sure that the terms and conditions of your affiliate offer are clear and specify what the affiliates can and can't do, no misleading ads, etc.